to KasEden Cuisine channel. So today I'm going to be making one of my favorite smoothie called Beetroot Smoothie. So these are the fruits. I'm going to be using pineapple fruits. I'm going to be using a watermelon, ginger, garlic, and most especially my beetroot. That is why I call it beetroot smoothie. So I'm going to put it in a blender. First of all, I'm going to add my watermelon into the blender, my pineapple. Now I'm going to cut my beetroot into pieces because they are strong. So it should be the last thing I'm going to add. Add my garlic for lovers of garlic. If you don't like garlic, it's optional. You can. Then you put your ginger. Then let's blend. So I have to add a little bit water to my fruits to enable it to blend very well, or for easy blending. So I want the watermelon seed to crush. Most people don't like, testing the fiber or the seed of, whatever fruits they are eating. So we are going to blend it because the seed is very nutritious. Blended. Your smoothie juice is ready. Very delicious. Benefits of this beautiful and yummy smoothie: it helps to lower blood pressure, helps in constipation, digestion, and also helps to improve exercise stamina. It has a lot of benefits in it, so please do this and enjoy it. Thank you for watching KasEden Cuisine Show. Please like and subscribe my channel.